Hello. Hello, hala. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
شوفوا مين اللي عايز مرابيع فيهم يا عاد. اسلام. عايز تسافر كام؟
Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Look, daddy, look at daddy, look at daddy sticking video. Ah! Mahulog ka.
Yeah, nothing's going on. We can go and come back, huh?
Okay. Good morning, bed of roses.
My friends went away from me.
We're going to the IKEA.
My friends won.
Yalla, let's go. Let's go. See, good morning, hala daw. Oh, hala, good morning, good morning. Good morning, busy kayo sa iyahang dula. Yalla, let's go down. Yalla, go down first. Ayan, hindi talaga ako.
For no reason.
Ay, sakit kayo sa mata. Ang adlaw, sakit kaayo. Wala ko kadala og sunglass. Take care your daughter. Take care, take care. Mga hulog dito. Oh, 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 oh. Mahulog ng duha hala. Hey, look at daddy. Daddy, see you. Look at daddy. Say hi. Yalla, go down. Go down, let's go so we can go IKEA. Let's go. IKEA. Let's Avenues. We're going to Avenues.
Mom, just now we came.
I need clinics. I feel like have sip on. Ay. Oh, bring.
Mom,
Ay,
but
sip on pa.
do you have a power bank?
Hmm? Why, lubat? I don't have power bank. Maybe daddy have power bank. Good morning, sis Eyelid. Cynic. Paano ba yung basahin? Sakit kayo ang init sa kong mata. Kalimut kong dalag sunglass. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday, everyone. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone.
Okay, we'll charge it. They have charger in the car.
Hindi masyadong malamig. Masarap. Madam, salamat kayo, sis. Good morning, Connie, kabayan. Arias, Alvarez, brother-in-law, yes. Yes, yes. We have to go. We're going to IKEA Avenues. Oops.
You want charger?
Yeah. Charger.
I stupid. Mom, why do you put
I told you, do not put on my pocket. Do not blame me. I told you already. She put the missing in my pocket. I said.
I told my mom to give it back before she go inside the car, but she did not.
Mayos ka hala. Mayos ka. Okay.
Yeah, here.
Your husband is doctor of what? Doctor of chemical engineering?
Yeah.
Yes, chemical engineering. Kuwait University.
I have paper. I need to see where did I put the paper.
Will you just inside actually? Hi. What you study? What you study? Your house in Kaitan? Yes. Yes. Where is Adam? At home, still sleeping. Have day off today. So cute. Thank you. Your tutor is beautiful. Hala si thank you. She's hiding. She's shy.
No. I'm not.
Are you not
She's
shy?
not shy. She's not hiding. She's beautiful.
Yeah. See, why you're hiding? It means you're shy. Right? Because you're hiding eh.
This is the old one.
Ah, you don't print new one?
I printed a new one. It's inside.
Because I don't want to.
Tell you. He always give bonus. Talal Albahari is your brother-in-law. Talal Albahari? Who's Talal Albahari?
I don't know.
Talal?
He don't know who's
Talal al-Bahri, yes, is my cousin.
his cousin, Talal.
Talal
Yes,
Abahari.
Talal, my cousin.
And Hanabi Abahari. Talal Abahari.
See?
Everybody al-Bahri in Kuwait is a relative of mine.
Ah,
Mom, I don't want to be there.
okay. You also a chemical engineering. No, I'm not a chemical
Say
engineering.
yes, they don't know. Say yes. Say yes, they don't know.
Education, uh, elementary education, something.
It's, what they call? ED?
Yeah, BE Ed.
Yeah,
Bachelor of Science of Elementary.
teacher, but
Teacher.
not practice. Not practice,
Yeah.
teacher.
Shout out Bahrain. You don't know. I know some of her of his family, some of his brother and sisters, but not all. The cousin, I don't know. One mark bonus. He always give bonus to all the student, not only for one student.
Mom, you even break the face.
Sorry, I told you do not put on my pocket.
Well, I don't want to hold
What happened to the face? Let me see.
The neck.
it. It became like this.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
We'll print again, you color again, okay?
Yeah, and she even broke the lip.
We'll put tape and scotch tape, it will stick it, okay?
Yeah, but I don't see the color anymore.
Okay.
The black color.
I need is where do we go first?
It made it more ugly.
IKEA or Hawali?
I'm trying to look, where is the key? Oh, here. The key, I need to carry the stuff. This car cannot fit. Oh, look at the deliver. The deliver.
Yeah. Dito deliver.
check something. Need filter for the kitchen, so I need to see how it looks like.
Filter here?
Yeah, initially I have to see how it looks like. So I can buy filter because the water is kind of rusty.
Huh?
Yeah.
But you already have, that one is a heater.
No, it's coming from the government like that, rusty.
Yeah. Hello, hello. Good morning. Happy blessed Sunday, everyone. Happy blessed Sunday, my hala, my habibti. Do not remove that one.
But why all the windows are clear, but it doesn't? Why does all the windows? Why does 3 windows have no?
Blind.
Why does
The curtains.
they have this one?
To protect the sun, like this one have sun. So you will not have sun inside.
But I can still see.
At least sun, not too much.
I don't want.
No, don't remove. That's the company. That one is from the from the company.
They removed it.
Don't remove it. Wala, you will pay that one. Sige ka. Just leave it like that. Oh, daddy will be angry. You want daddy will be angry? Huh? Hello, Sisi Jackie. Say hello daw, beautiful hala. Say hi.
No, I don't want to. I don't want.
Okay.
No.
What's wrong with you? Okay, stop it. Okay. I will not. It's only Tita Jackie who says hi, hello, beautiful hala. You want Tita call you ugly? You should be thank you. You have to say like that. Yes, but she have holiday today. Yeah, Isra Miraj. What is it? Isra Miraj. Okay, bye-bye. God bless you all.